I'm Dr. Mike Gaya, the Chief Executive of INTI International College Penang. Today I'd like to introduce to you this EPIT engagement platform, Individual Champions, which is another 3I project that INTI is launching to enrich students' learning experience in internalizations, innovations, and individual development. We hope this EPIT project will let the student have that wonderful experience of what is the expectations when they graduate from INTI and go into the employment market, when they can meet the expectation of the employer. I also want to recommend my colleagues, Dr. Lee Ka-ling, who is the registrar of INTI Penang, and Ms. Hema, who is the Dean of Engineering School, to be the mentor.